because I need to record this. But hey, everybody. Okay, so it's your girl, T Monique. And I did a Lash With Me live tonight. And basically, I know it's pretty lengthy and people don't have a whole hour to be in the lives, but I left it up just in case you guys want to skim through on what happened. But basically, I did a lash fill tonight, and if you guys want me to do like a Lash With Me video, basically with me doing time lapse and voiceovers, I will be able to do that. Just leave it in the comments. Oh, and by the way, if you haven't subscribed, go ahead and subscribe already. If you're a lash tech or upcoming lash tech, go ahead and subscribe. If you are a esthetician, upcoming esthetician, go ahead and subscribe. Anyway, or if you just like my videos, go ahead and subscribe. Okay, period. Okay. But anyways, I went ahead and I shortened it up and put it in a small little video. So I hope you guys like it and enjoy. Hey everybody. Okay, so basically I broke everything down in this one little picture. Okay, so what we have here is a hybrid. It's a fluffy hybrid. And my client, she has downturned eyes. So what we're going to do is start from the inner corner. What I have is a 14C curl and a 10D volume fan. In between that, I also have 14D classics, which is giving it that wispy look. And also in the middle, I did a 15cc curl with a 6D fan because I didn't want it too thick. Okay. And then I also, in between those, I did a 15D classic. And on the ends, I have a 16C curl 10D fan in between 16D classics. So I just wanted to break down what this lash looked like and what I put in the lash, because I know from a distance you probably can't really see. So I'm gonna focus on trying to zoom in on my in my videos. So yeah, I hope you guys like the video. Thanks for watching. Make sure you tune in every Sunday. And here's my last video.